Hello students. At first I want to thanks to all my viewers to subscribe our channel Team Prince Taranagar. Now we will reach on the 1000 subscriber. So your affectionate with us and all of you stand with our efforts. So today my topic is imperative sentence. Means how to change an imperative sentence into passive voice. Okay, let's start. So friends, what is an imperative sentence? The sentence which shows any command, order, request, etc. called imperative sentence. There are so many ways to start an imperative sentence. Okay, let's learn one by one how many types of imperative sentences and how it will be changed into passive voice. Okay, number first, sentence start with verb first. Okay, let's see its structure. In active, the structure of imperative sentence which starts with verb first will be verb first plus object. So small structure, and when we will change it into passive, then it will be let plus object plus be plus verb third. That's all. Okay, let's see example of this sentence. Number first, open the door. Open the door. You can see here only two things: open verb first and the door object. Now we will change it according to the structure of passive voice. We will start it with let. Okay, let after the object. Then what is the object in this sentence? The door. So let the door plus be. So here will be be. Let the door be verb third. What is the verb? Open, and verb third will be opened. Then it will be changed into passive voice. Let the door be opened. Okay, another example. Clean your shoes. The process will be same. Verb first, object. Okay, when we will change it into passive voice, then it will be like your shoes be, let your shoes, okay, sorry, let your shoes be cleaned. Okay, we can change it in another way. For example, open the door. In this sentence you can see that it is an order. It is a given order to someone, open the door. So we can change it another way. You are ordered. You are ordered to open the door. Okay, In same process, the next sentence will be changed. Clean your shoes. The second way, you are ordered to clean your shoes. Okay, it is so simple. Now we will learn the sentence starts with do or do not. Okay, let me erase it. Then we will learn how to change a sentence of imperative sentence which starts with do or do not, and how will it change into passive voice. Let's see the process. Okay, number second, sentence starts with do or do not. Okay, let's see the structure. Do plus object. Okay, when we will change into passive voice, then it will be like let plus object plus be plus verb third. And if it will start with negative sentence, जैसे do not plus verb first plus object. Okay, then it will change like let object plus not plus be plus verb third, or let plus not plus object plus be plus verb third. That's all. Let's see an example. At first we will see do plus object. So we select a very small example like number first, do it. Do it. You can see verb first, object. When we will change it into passive, then what should be the answer? Let's see. Let plus object plus be. Let plus object plus be plus verb third. Then it will be let it be done. Our sentence is do it. When we will change it into passive voice, then the sentence will be let it be done. You can see the structure. Let object be verb third. देखो, look, the structure is same. Okay, if we want to change it in another way, then we can write it you are ordered. You are ordered to do it. That's all. Okay, now we will see do not. Sentence starts with do not. It will change in three ways: number first, number second, and number third. You are forbid. You are forbade to plus verb first plus object. Okay, let's see an example and check it in whole way which is mentioned on the board. Okay, let's select an example. For example, do not disturb me. Do not disturb me. Okay, let's change it in first method with first method. Okay, do not disturb me. You can see the sentence start with let in passive voice. Okay, let plus object. Let me, yeah, let I. Okay, let I plus not, let I not plus be plus verb third. Let I not be disturbed, D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D verb third. Okay, let's see second method, this. Okay, let not I be disturbed. Let not I be disturbed. And the last one, and it is very simple method to change an imperative sentence which starts with do not. Okay, you are forbid, because here do not means it deny to do an action. Okay, so we will change it in do not in you are forbid. You are forbid. You are forbid to disturb me. You are forbid to disturb me. Okay, that's all. It is very simple. You can see one more example. Number second example, like that. Don't play game. Don't play game. Okay, let's change it in three way. Number first, let game not be played. Okay, let's see in second way. Let not game be played. Okay, let's see in third way. You are forbid to play the game. Play the game. Okay, you can see it is very simple and very easygoing method to solve an imperative sentence into passive voice. There are so many methods. Okay, let's now we will learn another topic. Okay, let me erase it at first. Now we will learn an sentence in which include model, means the sentence with model. How to change it will be into passive voice. Okay, now ready to learn how to change a sentence. Okay, let's see. Our topic is sentence with model. Sentence with model. Okay, what is the structure of sentence with model? Subject plus model plus verb first plus object. Okay, when we will change it into passive voice, then the structure will be object plus model plus be plus verb third plus by plus subject. The same structure will be used in all the sentence which starts with model. Okay, number first, they can learn English. They can learn English. Okay, you can see subject, model, verb first or object. Okay, when we will change it into passive voice, then it will be English can be learnt by them. Okay, let's see another example. I could earn money in my young days. I could earn money in my young days. Let's categorize this according to the structure. I subject, could model, earn verb first, money object, in my young days adverb of time. Okay, let's change it into passive voice. Then the structure will be object number first, then model number second, then be number 4. Okay, let's see. Money could be earned. Money could be earned by me in my young days. You can write the adverb of time just after the verb third. Then the sentence will be like, money could be earned in my young days by me. Okay, friends and students. Now the rest part of voice we will learn in next video, and subscribe our channel like, share and comments. Okay, thanks.